So may gulay. Sarada. At bumalik na. Sorry. Sorry naman. Sorry. Salamat sa sa 1 million. Ayan. Sayang kasi ng Sayang kasi ng kung may CPR. Kahit magdamag, pwede. How can we say ayan na naman. Bumalik ka, Lothar. Oy. Did you ever end up wait lang, naka-translate pala to, kaya nag-automatic nagta-translation kasi naka-on, hindi ko naman kahit hindi ko naka-on, kaya yung comment mo translated sa English, kaya ganon. Very nice, thank you. Kendall Tramel, thank you. Kendall Tramel. Sabi ko na kayo nag-end live ka relive kasi ng ko. Parang may something sa cellphone ko. We'll see. Oh, 20 viewers. Thank you, salamat sa 20 views. Naka-live ka pa ba? Sa mo? Pwede mo man siya i-back, tas balik ka ulit. Ah, okay. Naka-live pa. Naka-live pa. My Smile. Hi, My Smile. Alam na dito kasi sa amin yung may may jowa akong foreigner, ganon. Tapos parang medyo ang word kapag nagluluwas ako sa balay, minsan nga sasulod lang ako sa 41 people in the house. Thank you so much. Ako amugibo ko pag may something sa live ko. Para may something talaga. Ayan. Nata. May something. Weirdo. Something, 37 people in the house. Thank you so much. Naka, di ka nagluluwas. Nagluluwas man ako, kaso nga lang ano, kaso busy lang ako sa live. May trabaho din 'pag may ano. Dito minsan 'pag nagluluwas ako parang ano, parang, alam mo yun. 54 people in the house. Oh, ang daming tao ngayon. Sabi ko na, kailangan ko talagang mag-restart. Minsan may something talaga. Baga baga ka nahubog at maano na ano ko, tutuntan. Seton. Seton. Ano ba yung Seton. Hi, Seton. Salamat sa nag-ano. Nine people. Guga. Binaliktad mo yung gago ah. Mustafa. Hi, Mustafa. 48 million. Salamat sa 48 million. Amy Music. Hi, Amy Music. Goga. Anong goga? Goga ka dyan. Ang kulit mo. Aray ko. 39 people. Romania. From Romania. Nice to meet you from Romania. 47 million. Hello, Fromy. Fromy. Goga. Goga. Goga ka. MMLSSU. MMLSO to you. That time. Good night. I remember you always where you live. I'm living here in the Philippines. So thank you. Thank you so much. Tired of people in the house. so far from my feet, now it's about to be. Marvin, hi Marvin. Sorry, don't bleed. Something. Thank you for the people. Lemon. Hi, hey Cheryl. Hi, Mark Bibington. I'm 41. 41 years old. Yes, 41. How old are how about you? How about you, Stefan? MMLSO, guys. MMLSO. Osman Albaz. Hi, Osman Albaz. Osman. Osman. Zero or Contra Life. Maybe my love will come back someday. It's only heaven knows. Maybe to find. I'm sorry, don't believe me. Don't you ever, don't you know, mommy? If I saw you, never. Mm-hmm. Ay, lagi ngapain, Mariam. Hay lagi, anong ibig mong sabihin? What do you mean? Charot. Kung hindi ako nararapat sa'yo. Thank you for teaching me. Hi, Sir Pat. Thank you, Sir Pat. Thank you for joining, po. I am 50 year old. I am from Myanmar. Where do you live? I'm from Philippines. Good morning from Columbus, Indiana, USA. Hi, Sir Pa. Thank you for joining, po. Good to see you, sister. Same to you, Sir Pat. God bless, po. God bless, Sir Pat. Aray ko. Atay. Aray me, aray me. I have fallen asleep last night and brother's Fred live. Me, busy here at afternoon. That's why didn't stay surfed live when doing a live at afternoon. Couldn't keep awake last night. Glad that Mike stay surfed live. That's why. Um, just wake up po, Sir Pat. I've been having a bad spells. You and Mike be praying for me, sister. Huh? I have bad spells. You and Mike. Huh? What do you mean? Bad dreams? I've been having bad spells. You and Mike be praying for me. What do you mean, Sir Pat? Oh my God! Wait. Yes, I did taking thing slow since I got up. Oh my God! What it means? What do you mean, po? You have bad dreams about me and Mike? Not feeling good, sister. Huh? Good night. Good night, thought pet fun. No, no. Sir, but what it means? Sorry, I don't know. I'm slow, you know. I don't know what it means. What do you mean? Stroke. You stroke? Oh my God. Sorry for Sir Pat. Mini stroke. Oh my God. Hope you feel better po, Sir Pat. Praying for you po. Praying for you, Sir Pat. Freddy Alejandro. Hi, Freddy. Sorry, I had to take off. Okay po, Sir Pat. Take care always. Stay healthy. Stay safe po. Hmm. Stay healthy po, Sir Pat. Don't wanna let you go. Guapa. Guapa. Thank you. God watch my health. Yes. Stay healthy, Sir Pat. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay strong. Don't wanna let go. Just strong po. Health is wealth. That's why we need to be healthy. Stay healthy. I'm always say that to my dad. Stay healthy. Oh, I need the energy today. Yes, Puzzle Pot. My mic edge is not the problem. Maybe others it problems with them, but for me, not the problem. The problem is the person, not the age. That's why no issue about my age, about the age of my mic. Don't wanna let I go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Thank you so much. 41 people in the house. I need energy today. You need energy, Sir Pat. Stay healthy po. Don't wanna let her go. Yes, sister. Sana magising na si Kuan. Maybe Sir Mike sleep late because and when he wake up, he many things to do. Mm, mm, because going here, Mike come here, we meet each other. My God. Hola, ¿cómo está Santa Rosa Lima, amiga Colombia? Hi, Marco, Lina, Lerina Ortega, Rile, Lerena. Thank you, 20 people in the house. Hola, ¿cómo está Santa Rosa Lima, amiga Colombia? Kamusta? Sus. Something different. Ang weird talaga. Ang weird talaga ng phone na to. Something wrong. Kumusta na? Don't wanna let her go. Never can make something. Something Alan. May bukas pa ba na tindahan? Ang weird talaga. Weird ah. Weird yun. Jose Maria Mendez. Pag-usapan nyo. Maybe the love can do something only heaven knows. Much better. Ikaw na pala. Inaarin mahal ko. Pakisabi na lang. Huwag mag-alala. Ikilang ko.
Magtulog? Ito, papigat yan ng mga project.
Nantok na ako.
Ha? Hindi lang ang kape mo papayaw. Kung bawal ko na mag-inom talaga sa kape.
Nantok na, please. I need to go to sleep. Wait lang. Lip muna tayo. Oh my God. Pagkasabi ng langit na huwag mag-alala at okay lang ako. Umiiling ako kay bathala na sana ay hindi mag-isa. Sana which part? Meme. Hi, Meme. Oh my god. Jason called. Hannes, I'm fine, Jason. Jason called. Where are you from? Are you going to sleep? Yes, going to sleep soon. I need to pee. My god. Wait. I need to pee. I'm watching from London. Hi, thank you. Watching from London. I need to pee. Oh my god. Mapikapi ako. Aray ko. Is it hot? Yeah. I just hear it calm.
Kapalad tayo din na. Hindi palad. Hindi palad. Tutulog. Ayan. Ha? Ito ba ang makulog? Kaya makulog tayo din. Hindi man. Ayan.
Oh, I'm going. Raining. Raining here. Kape. I'm ready for Philippines vacation so I can come see everyone. Ah, yeah, wow. When you came here, Sir Pat? When you came here po in the Philippines? Age 41. 41 years old. I'm old. Ghetto Maynara.
Tamam. Hindi mo magigda.
Bye-bye.
Ha?
No young here. Army. Army. Oh, okay po. Bye, Mehmet. Sorry, no young here. We're old here. Raining here. Visit to Mike, Fred, Mike, and Dennis. Thank you, Sir Pat. Galma Pisoli, Galma Pisoli. Galma Pisoli.
Matulog pa.
Shuram. Sino ka para utosan ako? Yes, good friends. Thank you, Sir Pat. Good friends. Money politics. You already really see me. My goodness. Ew. Ew. Tell me who's that girl? Meow. Meow meow. Total people. Astrid Chara. Mike, hi Mike. Why you not sleeping? Not yet sleeping. Hello, brother Mike. Good to see you. Hi. Oh my God. Tulog. I don't understand you. I said hello to you. What? Hi, Mike. But my future wife is supposed to be. We got really bad in Columbus and Canada. Bad storms, tornado warning this morning. Oh my God. Understand, brother Mike. Thank you, Mike. Thank you for love to you. Astrid, where are you from? You don't hear me. I just got Mike having coffee now, brother. Having coffee. Coffee lover. Wala. Oh my God. Susumba highlights. But I am going to Indonesia. Okay. Take care. Take care, Astrid Chara. Yes, but I just wake up. Also need to get myself together and go do more shopping for my trip. Only 14 days until I leave. Thank you, Mike. Dun, dun, dun. Me too, Mike, brother. Indonesia star 8552. Indonesia star. Wait lang. I message you. So may mic pala. 14 days. I message you. For you, beautiful, I love you, fam. Thank you. Come, okay. I'll come. But I can't sleep because she's wondering what other gifts I'm buying for. Yeah. Hmm. What is that? Mm-hmm. 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 You will meet small Cheryl, the tiny Cheryl. You say you will meet me. Oh my God, it's so tiny. Oh wait, love you, friends. Thank you, Astrid Shara. Oh my God. Hello, Bella Te Amo. Bella Te Harvesting season. Um, Yusuf, Yusuf, Rosario, Ramsaya. What you said? I'm watching you, my wifey. I'm watching my wifey. So much thinking. Can't sleep. But where are you planning on going back to the Philippines? I see Mike. Sir Pat said May. So you're going back to America that time. So that's it. I'm thinking same area you're at, Mike. I've been looking, brother. Same area. I'm excited, hon. Super. Hopefully this April or May this summer, Mike. Oh my God, hope this April. I'm thinking same area. But I think me and Mike busy for that busy that time. Michelle Weiskos. Miss Hola. Hola hola sa bola. Hola sa bola. Ang kulit. Ang kulit. Johnny. Asking for moderator like ask trusting for someone. How I trust you. Trust need to earn. Uh, trust is not easy to give. It earn the trust. That's why. Because my moderator is like my friend here. Sorry, Johnny. Hi, Michelle Borges. Oh no. Ang kulit. How sweet you are. Johnny Bottle, why you on here while doing your own live stream? He's doing ano? What happened? Yes. Why you here? Ang kulit na. Yes, he's scratching his head and playing with his hair doing live stream. Okay, wait. Maybe I need to stop liking. What is channel name? John. Okay. Where from? From ano? From Brazil. Time for him to go another troll for sure. It's a troll. Thailand. I don't understand from the Thailand language. Time. Time for trolls. Time for him to go another. Yo. I think no more trolls now than like before. What no trolls? I don't like trolls. Oh my god, 14 days tomorrow. 14 days tomorrow. Tomorrow doing Zumba again. But why can't sleep? Can't sleep. Can't sleep. What's the gap? You're looking beautiful as always. Dan, hi Dan. Separate. Where are you from Dan? You are my Look, the veins. My god. Mike, how's the weather there? Sir Pat here, the weather raining. What about Mike? Oh, still 14 more days and already kids. 14 days to go. Uh-oh. I don't know if Mike getting any rain there. God, you're so hot. I know I'm hot. So cute. I know I'm cute. Sup, Mike? Kamusta Jollibee? Hi, Kuya Tree. My God. Kuya. Love your vibe. Thank you, Sir Dan. Yes, from Pat. Sir Pat. Pat, the weather here is finally getting better. It was raining the last couple days, but warming up. Oh, that's good. Making, oh my God, Dan, Phil. Phil. That's good, Mike. Same here, brother. Hey, Kuya. Cheryl and her son went to Jolly for lunch Saturday, yes. Thank you for the Jollibee. Good. Mike, what's the gift? $14 ago. Oh my God. Ang cute mo po, ma'am. Kinikilig pa ako. We. Aris. Kinikilig nga din ako. Chicken joy, mango pie, coke float, french fries, burger. Pakit, pakit ka po, ma'am, yung matagal po. Be. Pakit ka dyan. Ayan. Pakit. Ang kulit. Hindi pakit. Matagal po, ma'am. Ang kulit naman. Who wants to know what gifts I'm buying today? What's the gift? Who wants to know what gifts I'm buying today? What's the gift? Me, Mike, brother. Ring Mike. What's the gift? Ring Mike. What's the gift? Naka-like na po ako. Thank you, Aris Garcia. Thank you for the likes. Ang cute talaga, we. Ang kulit naman. Nahiya tuloy ako. Kulit. Ang kulit naman. Nahiya tuloy ako. My God. Kuya, yes. Ring coming soon. If she believes. I believe. I believe naman. Hope you have a good time in Philippines, brother Mike. Yes. Hope the weather here you like here, Mike. Tamis kasi pag nagpapakyut ka po, ma'am. Ay, ang OA naman. Ang kulit mo. Hindi pa cute. Ano ba yan? Okay lang yan, tita. Saka maganda ka naman. Siguro ba? Ano ba yan? Lola na kaya ako. Lola na lang. Mama. Sana ikaw na po ang alin. Ikaw na, ako na ninang mo. What's the gap? Hindi ikaw, hindi yan para sa iyo, Aris. Para yan sa iba. Tapos ikaw naman ang ano-ano dyan. Parang ano naman to. Kinikilig ako kasi ano. Hindi para sa iyo. maging asawa. Ay naku, mag-aasawa na nga ako eh. Tsaka bata ka pa para sa akin. Magme-menopause na ako. Matanda ako eh, matanda na ako. She behaving Mike bro. Kinikilig ako. Parang teenager tuloy yung ano ko. Para akong teenager. Sus, wala pa sa edad yan. Singit-singit naman to. Kinikilig na ako. Singit-singit naman tong aris na to. Kinikilig tulog. Kahit bata pa ako sa'yo, kahit sino. Kahit sino, kaya po kita ipaglaban. Basta wag mo lang ako iiwan. Ay nako. Iiwan kita kasi may mahal ako. Tsaka, hindi tayo maging tayo. My God. No. I have my lover. My God, now. I love my Mike. Yes, Kaya. She's always good, looking forward to meeting and spending time together, seeing all the sides and meeting her family and friends. Thank you, Mike. Sorry, Aris. I'm getting married. Oh. Ang kulit naman kasi. I love someone. I finally found the one. Mm-hmm. This is it. Oh, I finally found the one to share my life. Nood na lang po ako sa'yo, ma'am. Saka masaya na ako kasi po, good, good ka po tingnan, alay ko. Ilang taon ka na ba? Ako kasi, matanda na ako eh. Saka, oh my God. Good, Mike. Good. I really think she deserved that. Thank you, Kuya. Oh my God, the boutique. The sign says someone coming here. Superstation, something like that. Bata pa, 23 years old. You're too young. You know what? When I'm 23 years old, I'm single. When I'm 24 years old, I first boyfriend, my son's father, 24 years old. But when I'm getting pregnant, 30 years old. Giving birth, 31. At 23, at my age of 23, I'm still single. Don't rush. Irish. Enjoy your life. Else, I can understand. Just take them, bro. Yes. You're still too young, Aris. You need to enjoy your life. Single ka pa. When I'm 23, I'm still single. When I'm 24, I met my son's father at age 24. First boyfriend. And giving birth. When I'm at the age of 30, I'm pregnant. 31, giving birth. At the age of ano, broken. My God. What the God. At the age of 41, at the age 40, my life begins at 40. Oh my God, amazing. At the age 40. The bad, I think a lot of experience. When I'm getting birth of my God, my life is dangerous. Either I live or my sons live. That time, my life is 50-50. The doctor said what I choose if my sons live or me I live. So of course I choose my son. That's why what the the heart emotional, because if I choosing me, I choose my sons to live here in the world, because but my mother always praying and praying that I'm safe, something, the faith of God. That's why I thank God we save both. But when I'm pregnant, my son's father want to abort him, but I defend him. I can grow my I can I can take care of my sons even I'm alone, because he's coward to the responsibility. But when I getting pregnant and it continues, it leads when I recognize that I'm pregnant 4 months, because I'm working that time, busy at work. So I'm worried why not yet means my period, because that time working and while study and working student, that time too much busy, and that time the jealousy, and he drinking, always drunk. Not good about the pregnancy for me, because of, but I'm happy because we both safe. Mike buy me gift too. May pag-asa ba ako sa... Wala talaga. Sorry Me kasi, ayoko kasi nagbibigay ako ng pag-asa, lalo na kapag in a relationship, because not good for the person. I respect the relationship. And of course, kapag binibigyan natin ng pag-asa, aasa yun. I'm not entertained. No. Nood na lang ako sa'yo, ma'am. Tamad ako mag-chat. Sige lang. Sige lang. Salamat. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. God bless, Aris. Yes, you need to enjoy Aris, okay? The life. We don't know the journey. We have a lot of people to meet. It is a purpose. It can leave us the lesson to teach us, to hurt us. Some people use us, something like that. It helps us to grow for the better person, not to be bad. But some people choose to be bad of their bad experience. But I need to need to learn the mistakes and the bad experience. Talaga, he's really trying, Aaron. Oo. Thank you, kuya. You still working, Kuya Dre? Or break time? Take her at the road. Driving. Stay safe. Your jowa waiting for you. No tampo. Your jowa no tampo. Sheryl in good hands now. I will treat her special and spotlight. She deserves that now. Thank you, Mike. Get up, get up, get up. Meow, 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 meow. Because when I'm teenage life, I never experienced about the legal because my parents so much strict. Yeah. Never experienced boyfriend. Never experienced about that. So that's why when I'm working in Manila, meet someone at 24. 24, I met at 24. No jowa anymore, Jollibee. Been 2 weeks now. Oh my God. Sorry. No soyo. You tired for your jowa? It's time in the lights of me when you tremble like my heart. Oh my God. Early morning now. Goodness. Hi, Liggy. Liggy, hi. It's okay, time to heal na. Oh, okay. It takes time to heal. Sometimes you still feel broke because you still love the person. Pakit ka po, ma. My God. Pakit ba? Pakit ba yan? Ang kulit naman ito ni Ari. Ang kulit mo. Thank you, Liggy. In my life, would never live yan. Ang kulit naman. Ang kulit. Oo, takes time but it's okay. Gusto kita kasi Alam mo, ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, Aras, pag masyado nating pino-force yung isang bagay, minsan mali eh. Mali talaga. Yan, kahit gaano pa natin kagusto, you need to wait the perfect time for you. But if not for you, no need to, alam ko na may nakalaan talaga para sa'yo. Much better pa. Ang pag hindi ukol, hindi bubukol, parang ganon. Ay tinanggal. Ang alin? Hi, Eddie Carlos Lopez. Can I get to know you? What do you mean? What do you mean, Liggy? You spent Greetings from Indonesia. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. Hi, stars. But wait. Hi, star. Starry. Hi, starries. Najume. Jollibee is really good, Lady Mike, and patient. Wish she could understand what she's telling him. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Mom, please. Pagod ka po. Ang kulit mo naman. Taga saan ka, Aris? Saan ka naka-ano? Where are you from, Aris? Pampanga po. Aris, you need to kuan. You need to enjoy life. You still think that you're too young. Or maybe I I I remember before when I'm 23 years old, it seemed like that. I'm still single. Oh my God, I'm still single. What if no one will know I'm still single forever? That's why when someone calling me, that's why may minaligaw sa akin 20 when I was 24, minaligaw sa akin inisip ko okay na to, baka mamaya kasi nga rito-rito. Kung ano man na yan, ano man yung binata yan, ganyan. Walang sabi. Napasama. Pero okay lang kasi uh, may anak naman ako isa. City Wakana. City Wakana. Dun, dun. Hi, Arfan. City Wakana, hello. Kahit 5 pa anak mo, ma'am, kaya naman kita mahalin at pati ay nako. Hindi mo mapapa sa mga ganyan. Hindi ako nadadala sa mga ganyan. I told you, I'm 41 years old. Aris. Basta akin ka lang. May nagmamay-ari na sa akin. May mahal at may mahal na rin ako. My God. Bata ka pa talaga. Ano ka pa sa kilig-kilig, ganon. Linda. Bye-bye, Jollibee. Later, Mike, if you're still here. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you for joining, Kuya. Bye-bye. Take care. Driving. Need to take care. Yeah, yes. Sakit naman. Ganun. So, di bali naman saktan. Basta, lang. Tamang sakit ka. Kaysa, naman, lokohin ba. Mas masakit yun nanloloko ng kapwa. At kaya gusto na lang ng iba maging kapwa, no? Kuya, I know Cheryl's a good person and she's perfect for me. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Don't wanna let her go. I know my people think that we are having an age gap, but doesn't matter. We're perfect. Because for me, not about the age. It's about the person, the personality. Linda, Linda, Linda. Perfect. We're same, vibes. Something like that. Clingy. Mm, ako yung tao, hindi marunong, hindi nagbibiro. Yan ang tinatawag. Pag ang lalaki hindi babaero, ako yun. Sana all. Sana, I'm looking forward sa'yo, Aris. Sana, pag nahanap mo yung tamang babae para sa'yo, ganun ka pa din. Ang cute mo talaga. Ayun lang. Ano ba yun? Parang ako dito. Na, parang nailang ako. Parang nailang ako sa'yo. Hi, Oseo Soreso e Muerto Lindo. Muerto Lindo. Ikaw yun, ma'am. Ikaw ang gusto ko. Hindi nga ako pwede. Hindi pwede. Pag hindi pwede, hindi pwede. Ti amo. Valdemar Lorenco. Salamat sa nanonood, no? 17 people. Likes. 11 million viewers. O ayaw nyo i-heart. Ako na mag-heart ng sarili ko. Robert Connor. Robert Connie. Oh, ngiti-ngiti ako pero ating siya sa nag-heart. At mag-heart nga. Ay, salamat sa nag-heart. Hindi ako yun Hindi ko in-heart yung lives ko. No cheating. Pero gusto ko kita. Ngayon lang kita nakita, ma'am. Bakit ang bilis na in love puso ko? Siguro, cute ka po kaya na in love ako. Yan sinasabi ko sa'yo. Sabi mo nga, siguro. Sa personal, hindi ako cute. Pangit ako sa personal. Hindi lahat ng nakikita is totoo. Guga, you look good. Thank you, Robert Connie. Where are you from? Tomorrow having a Zumba. I need to sleep but can't sleep talaga. USA. Okay. From USA. Wow, ganda mo. Eh. Thank you to someone who sending the heart. Ano ba yan? Paano ba magpakyat? Parang nailang tuloy ako sa'yo. Hirap naman na nga. Parang nailang ako sa'yo. Nailang ako. Mopi, what it means, a mopi? Ma'am, sana ako na lang. Anong ako na lang? Sana may pag-aulan na. Wala na nga eh. Sinabi ko na, diba? Ang kulit. Wala na. Pangit naman magkat. No pag-asa. Ang pag-asa nasa Quezon City. Ala, may pula ako dito. Ganyan. Lapit mo konti mukha mo, ma'am. Ang layo kasi. Ayan. Salamat sa likes, ha. Hala, ba't ganun? Init. Ito ang like. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, Carabao. How di Carabao. Thank you so hard. Meow, 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 meow. Off. What off? Go, go. What mean? Wala, almost ano na pala. How are you? I'm fine. Tarintong Zok. Tarintong Zok. Zini. Zibiyu Ron. Mimit Bahar. Mimit Bahar. I'm getting married soon. Kapatapos bibigyan kita pinakamaraming heart ko. Ikaw pala yung nag-heart. Thank you sa, kanang ko kung sino. My God. Aries. 100%. 100%. Thank you po. Sana huh? Mimem. I love you, sister. Thank you for loving Tarintong. Namula liig mo, ma'am. Kaya nga eh. Anong ba nangyayari? Namula bigla. She's taken, not available. So, go look for someone else on another channel. Aries, classic. He's my fiance. We're getting married soon. Kakasal na kami. Soon, uwi siya dito ng Pinas. He going here, he come here the Philippines soon. Few days later. I told you, Aris. You can find another one, Aris. Still young. 23 years old is too young for me. Very young. 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 So, yeah. Thank you, hon. Yan, lapit mo. Yan. Kulit. Ang tata. Ay, nako. Ay. 22 is still a child, not experienced enough life yet. Yeah. Still playing, searching, finding. But some are playing, something like that. At the age of 20s, the something like that. Still searching, playing, finding. At the age of 30, want some more and more. At the age 40, what do you want? Stay playing or behave yourself? Uh, Thank you for the likes. Don't wanna let her go. Only heaven knows. No worries, Cheryl. Soon we will be together, married, and live very happy together. Thank you, Mike. You pity was maybe beautiful. Tarentang, thank you, bro. We'll be together. Da, 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 all of my life. I don't wanna know what's here. I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. You are my girlfriend. Hmm? Where are you from? Toronto. So easy. So easy. So fast. Allah, what happened to my ano? What happened to my ano? Tarrant, you are still alone and gone. Aray ko. Ang kulit no. Alvarez. Parabens. I don't know what it means. I need to, translation maybe. And I turn off the translation, so that's why all comments here translated by Translate the chat messages to your device language. That's why. Parabens, Farabosi, Hohe. Parabens, Jose, Hohe. EO, Dia das Mulheres. Parabens para você metas. Felicidades. Felicidades. I found love. Super chat and membership available, comments are free, but please be respectful or you'll be gone. Yes. I need to feel sleepy because I need to wake up early. Having Zumba here. Yes, be respectful. Thank you, Sir Pat. Thank you po. Pero that's weird. Weirdo. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Yes, Sheryl Masses. Future wallet. Let's go to sleep. Just finish copy. Okay pa. I need to go to sleep. Mike, right, you get rest, sister. Yes. I need to go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm doing Zumba. Hello, greetings from Mexico. Hi, Eric Johnny. I need to go to sleep pa. Hi, Mike. Love you. Oh, kala video call, no? Thank you, Sir Pat. See you next live. Yes po. See you next live. Bye-bye. Love you all. Take care, Mike and Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Pat. Bye-bye. Need to go to sleep. Sweet chart. Talk tomorrow. Yeah. Talk tomorrow. You both stay blessed. Thank you, Sir Pat. May umiyak. At nang may umiyak. Bye-bye.